quick Busan trip, here's our 1.5-day itinerary in my favorite Korean city. Started off day 1 with a breezy walk at Cheongsapo Daritdol Observatory. Grabe, walking on this glass floor above the sea, solid. Then finally, na-experience ko na sa wakas ang iconic sky capsule. From Cheongsapo to Mipo Station, it was just wow. The views, stunning. Saya mag-K-drama moment dito. Next up, literally on top of the world at Busan X the Sky. This is the second tallest building in Korea. Ang taas, and you get a beautiful panoramic view of the city. Still in the Haeundae Beach area, time for some much needed fuel. Lunch was at Shabu all day. Sobrang busog dito at ang sarap pa. In the afternoon, we went to Art Museum Busan, the biggest art museum in the world. Every corner is just so magical and immersive. Instagrammable din talaga. And for the highlight of our night, my very first concert experience in Korea. Watched the Busan One Asia Festival and saw K-pop stars like Treasure, Super Junior, and Daesung. The energy was insane. Woke up to a rainy morning on our day 2, but perfect excuse to chill at Z Millennial Cafe, which is owned by Jimin's father. Cozy vibes at na-meet pa namin yung papa niya. And for our last stop and lunch, we headed to the BIFF Square area. And of course, had to try Busan's famous seed hotok. Ang sarap at mainit-init pa. Definitely a must try. That's a wrap for our super short but packed Busan trip. Made so many amazing memories with KTO and my K-Creator friends. Till next time Busan, annyeong!